Squirrels are out after last night's rainstorm. We had some bad thunderstorms run through here around midnight or 10 to midnight. Oh, here comes somebody. He's looking at Mama. Look at, he's coming up to Mama. There you go. Pecans. We are just about out of pecans, and I don't think I'll be getting any more from Lane's Southern Orchard. And they've helped tremendously. But we have to find another source of pecans maybe for now. But, you know, the squirrels taken care of. We just spent $100 yesterday ordering some. Plenty of peanuts and peanuts. Peanuts and peanuts, I said. Seeds, peanuts, and pecans. Hummingbirds are buzzing. And we feed everything back here. Mama even feeds the rabbit. We bought rabbit food for the little bunny rabbit we've seen back here. Terry asked, "What's wrong with your fence?" Terry, actually, we opened it up because you see that house right there? That's my wife's best friend, and she wants her to come right in and hang out with us. Now, actually, the wind knocked it down, and unfortunately, I tried a cheap way of putting it up by hiring my gardener to do it. Not really the smartest move in the world. And then it fell over in the first storm 2 days later. So going the cheap way, which really wasn't cheap, I think it cost me about $900, wasn't up to snuff. So now we're waiting for maybe November or October. But I think we've said that the last 2 years, so who knows. We'll get it up eventually. The squirrels are bouncing around out here. This is where we get some peace. Look at this squirrel, he's running across the top of the fence. Actually, it's gonna get expensive because we just ordered pecans, and it's still $86 for a 20-pound. And we go through 20 pounds here in 2 days. So we just ordered that yesterday. Oh, little baby's got, is that bot flies? Damn it, we've seen a few injured. I'm not sure if it's predators. It's got the patches. Hoping it's not bot flies. Oh, what's that down there? Uh-oh, they're coming up to me. Oh, he's standing up. Look at him. He's like, "Look at me. What you doing? What you doing? I don't think I have anything here." Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Let me look, guys. Let me see if Mama left anything on the table here. Oh, there it is. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got one here. Here. That's a happy camper right there. That's gold. The key is too, you can't stay out here too long. I mean, I can, but my wife can't. Any squirrel that comes up to us, she has to feed. And that is like 24/7, it doesn't matter. And I tell her they're out here because this is where they live. Right? Like the cats, the cats always want food, they're starving. That's kind of the way my wife is with the squirrels. Gotta feed it if it runs up to us. Alrighty. Getting ready for work? Oh yeah, she's gotta start. Oh, she just brought me some pecans. You see, we put some down there. Those are the gold ones. We put what we have left up on the fence. Now the ones we have left, we've got them in the garage now. Unfortunately, the pecans that we get after a certain amount of time, they start getting moths from them. So they come from inside the pecan. So we had to dump the last of the pecans we had out of the house, otherwise we would get infested with moths. It was Thursday, July 10th. It's almost Friday. It's been a great week so far. I mean, as long as you don't look at the news, it's been a great week. It's my mom's birthday yesterday. I called her up. But it's another day here at the Potent Zone compound. Dealing with my YouTube suspension. It's just a monetization suspension, but whatever. And you can't post certain things, and I guess I made a few mistakes according to YouTube. But I thought their system of appealing really lacked. But, you know, mega company like YouTube suspending my monetization, you know, you're not going to win because you're dealing with mostly AI. So I have to wait till September 28th to reapply for the monetization part. But I don't know what we're going to do. We have to start doing something soon. On the bright spot, that kitten we found in the alley has been captured, and it's a boy, getting neutered and fixed, and I think he's got a home already. We were going to bring him here. I told my friend Teresa, if nobody takes that little kitty, that we'll take him. But I guess somebody has. Oh, that's some great news. You know, an animal off the street. Poor little kitten was, you know, maybe 4 or 5 months old. So that's pretty cool. That's what it's all about for us now, helping animals. I've given up on humans, that's for sure. Not all humans, a lot of great people out there. Have a great day.